Hey, welcome to Krack's Country Cooking. Today we're making a Mexican style buffalo chicken dip on the Z grills. We need 2 blocks of cream cheese and we're going to season it with Malcom's Grande Gringo Mexican seasoning. Now let's fire up the Z grill. Now the Z grills have started and we're getting up to temp. We'll throw our cream cheese in there while it's warming up. Once it gets up to temp, we'll pull them out and we'll be ready to finish our mixture. So first thing we need is half a rotisserie chicken. I just bought it. I bought it at Sam's Club, shredded it. Now we'll do some dicing to it. This is a disposable cutting board from How to Barbecue Right. I'll have a link in the description. So we're just doing a rough chop on the chicken just to make sure it's easily spreadable. We're going to season this chicken with Malcom's Grande Gringo Mexican seasoning, just like we did with the cream cheese. So just sprinkle it, and we'll take our bowl, that's what's nice with these cutting boards, just pour it right into the bowl. Alright, for our hot sauce, we're going to be using Malcom's Burn 'em Down sauce. It's got some Scotch bonnet peppers. It's got heat, but it's also got a lot of good flavor in it. You can use whatever hot sauce you like. But that is 1 container. That's 6.7 ounces of hot sauce. Give that a mix. So for the cheese, I got 8-ounce block of cheddar and 8-ounce block of Monterey cheese. We're going to put about 8 inches. We're going to put about 8 ounces in the bowl. Let's fold that in. Now we're going to be using a chunky, mild salsa. Oh, shit. That is 15.5 ounces. Fold that in. This smells amazing already. Couple tablespoons of sour cream. Our smoker hit 275 degrees. I bumped it up to 325. That's where we're going to be baking this at. But we can pull our cream cheese off now. It's nice and soft. It's about 95 degrees internal, so that's warm enough to mix in nicely with the rest of our mixture. Just dump it in. Give that a good mix. Once it's folded in and it looks like it's pretty much all incorporated evenly, we will pour this into a half pan. Voila, there's our half pan. So pour this into the half pan. And evenly spread it around. That's evenly spread. Now what we will do, we'll take the other 8 ounces of our cheese mixture. We're going to spread it over the top. A thin layer. Then we're going to top it with some sliced olives. Not that one. Now we're going to take some more of this Grande Gringo and sprinkle it over the top. Now we'll place it into Z grills set at 325 degrees for 30 minutes. Today's sponsor is Z Grills. Z Grills is a company with over 30 years experience building grills. They're known for their quality, versatility, and now one of the boldest statements in barbecue. Here's the deal. You buy one Z grill today, and you just don't get one. As part of the reward crowdfunding program, Z Grills will send you a brand new grill every 5 years for the next 50 years. That's 10 extra grills for free. You just got to pay $100 shipping. You can keep it, you can gift it, pass it on. The program is transferable, and there's an early buy option. The idea is simple. Build loyalty, reward customers, and keep grilling for life. It's bold, it's different, and what Z Grills delivers could be the best backyard investment you ever make. Check them out. I have a link in the description. It's been 30 minutes. We'll pull this out and see how we did. Put on my welding glove. Look at that. That looks good. All right, we're gonna let this sit for about probably 10-15 minutes, let it cool down so we can actually eat it without killing ourselves. All right, we got some scoops. Now we can enjoy some of this. Look at that. That is good. So that's my Mexican take on a buffalo chicken dip. It's got a lot of heat to it. You got all the cheeses in there, the cream cheese, the sour cream. It is so good. You got to try it. Make this for a game day. 40 minutes and you're done. It is excellent. You got to try it. Check out the Z Grills. I have a link in the description for them, and I'll have a link in the description for all the seasonings. All right, see you. It's snack time.